worst that can happen. Count on Sid.
A lot of life left in these tusks.
For the herd! Oh, this is looking great!
And that is how it's done.
Adventure has called, and Sid will answer.
Time to defeat Rudy. Fast Tony. Maybe.
Knock it off, Sid.
Well, that was weird.
That was weird.
Hello!
Hello?
You ever get the feeling you're being tapped?
Possums rule. Who is that?
Manny, was that you?
Don't worry, Eddie. I guess to his Stop Rudy.
Adventure, here we come.
We don't know what's happening.
Careful, guys. I don't know what's out there.
Come on, wherever you are. Sid, to the rescue. Ow, ow.
Hey, I'm a nice carnivore now.
He's kind of worn out.
Come out, wherever you are.
Let's get some more acorns.
Sid, to the rescue. I gotta be more careful. Ow, ow. Hey! Whoa! I gotta be more careful. There's gotta be an easier way to save the herd.
You guys just save the herd. Nitpicking.
If rabbits were meant to swim, we'd have gills. Okay, the dinos out there. Definitely on edge. Afraid, maybe. Something scaring them in our direction. Could be a virus. Any other guesses?
Dodos. Just a whole mess of dodos.
Isn't it my job to say the silly stuff?
What? They just kind of, freak me out a little bit. It's totally normal. It's totally, normal.